In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly copy trades from TradingView to multiple accounts using third-party trade copier tools. If you're looking to streamline your trading process and manage multiple accounts effortlessly, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, to get started, you'll need a dedicated trade copier tool. There are several options available to you, such as TradeSyncer, or you might even consider using proprietary software if your brokerage offers one. For instance, Tradovate has a group trade feature that can be incredibly handy. These tools are designed to connect your accounts seamlessly, making the whole process of copying trades a breeze. Once you have your trade copier tool ready, the next step involves connecting your trading accounts. Here, you'll want to make sure that both your TradingView account and all the brokerage accounts you plan to copy trades to are linked up with the copier. This connection is the backbone of the entire operation, as it enables the tool to replicate trades accurately across various accounts. Moving on, within the copier tool's settings, you'll need to designate one of your accounts as the leader account. This is the account where you will place all your trades. The significance of choosing a leader account is that every trade you execute here will be mirrored in your selected follower accounts, so be sure to choose wisely. Now it's time to select your follower accounts. Take some time to choose all the other connected accounts that you want to automatically duplicate trades to. These could be accounts you manage yourself or ones belonging to others who trust your trading decisions. Once your accounts are ready, you'll need to configure risk parameters and other trading settings for the follower accounts. This step is crucial to ensure that each account is managed according to its specific risk tolerance and trading goals. Things like position sizing are critical factors here, and setting these up correctly can help you manage risk more effectively across all the accounts. With everything in place, you can now go ahead and execute a trade on your designated leader account in TradingView. Once you do this, the Trade Copier tool will automatically spring into action, replicating that trade across all your selected follower accounts. It's a highly efficient way to manage multiple trades without repeating the process for each account manually. Lastly, you'll want to monitor the performance of your trades. The Trade Copier allows you to oversee how your strategy is unfolding in real time across all accounts. This ongoing observation is vital as it offers insights into how your trades are performing and allows you to make timely adjustments if necessary. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to copy trades from TradingView to multiple accounts using a Trade Copier tool. By following these steps, you can maximize the efficiency of your trading strategy and manage multiple accounts with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.